Hello my brothers and sisters, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are coming from. If today is your first time come across my video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification so that any day, anytime when I go live or I post video, you will be the first to see. Yes, my brothers and sisters, don't come again. No, today waiting I take come today, it go shock on one. Una go come see our single mothers where they dey for Germany here, how they take gang up beat one husband married woman where not dey their gang. So wetin come happen now be say after this video where we won't watch now, if we don't watch this video, I will come tell una the details wetin happen, why this thing happen like that, wetin come happen, why they come gang up more than 17 single mother, they come beat only one woman where they for husband her, where they beat her, injure her when he be say so the ambulance can carry them. So my brothers and sisters, may not stay tuned. Let's watch this video together. After we finish watching this video, so we go continue. Thank you so much, guys. Stay tuned.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, yeah.
It's okay. God bless you. Run. She don't fret, she don't fool. I want you to you must fret, don't fall. See, Mama fret, don't fret. She for see blood.
I need a bit of, we don't know anything. We just come for one place, one point enjoy.
Who locked my door? Stand up, my door. My door. Who locked my door?
See what the woman do me, this woman. See what you do me.
Mama, who locked my door?
I don't do anything. I come into my house, they do me this. I don't know. They say they're a single mother, they get a document, without their document, this is what they're doing me. I don't know. I don't do anything. I don't touch nobody. They beat my wife, they beat my kids. These are the people, yeah. These are them. 5 of them, they beat my wife. 5 of them, they beat my wife. They beat my wife, they throw my kids on the ground. Police not this stupid, I know. This is my proof. I don't have anything. This is my proof. Lucretia, come. This is my proof. Charlie Blaze went on the 5 problem. I buy this thing for Amazon and I tear it for my wife. I buy it 380 euro. This is the gold for my wife. They tear it. Yeah, it's good. These are the people fighting my wife. They are fighting my wife. Lucretia, come. I don't do anything. This mean the woman beat me. Say, it's a woman. I get Germany. This is my daughter. They beat her also. People are watching here. These are people fighting my wife, all of them. They're planning to fight my family. I do not hear. No, you have to do it. You have to do it. They fight my family. I got nothing, man. They fight my family. I don't do anything. I just come out. So now they beat my wife. I don't know. Now to see watch when I buy my clothes, see my clothes, everything. Yeah. I'm sorry. I don't do anything. I don't do anything. Yeah. I don't do anything. They do everything to fight my family. I don't do anything. I just enter house for my house. Now they do this thing. Police, I do nothing wrong. So sorry. They break my phone, even my phone. I'm finding my phone. Last day, the woman take my phone, he break it. This is what my woman had. They treat everything up. I'm not good. Just this is what I do to me. I do nothing, yeah. My wife phone, they tear it, yeah. For me, the woman when you sent, you forget.
What do you mean?
Don't worry, second one destiny, and I love you. That's my own. Don't do Mama Destiny, I love you.
Wait.
When I plan for them, I don't come out.
Send Mama because I may come fight you.
Yeah.
You feel swear juju, abi? She una get juju for na country. No, because me say. Wait, you say now we say na may come fight you.
Don't worry. Yeah. This is what I do to me and my family. I'm tired. I'll be here for long. I have nobody problem. They do everything to destroy us. We live separately. My wife don't need friends. You don't have friends. You don't want to have friends. No, don't. They tell her, no worry.
You sound if we find what's not the cause it vex me. It vex me. You go I even expect maybe at the apple you go take your wife. I don't know when come outside. Now when they start, now we tell her come outside. It be that. Tell my own. They won't kill us.
It's not a production. I know the people. It's a point house, Martin. I'll not be mean. Not follow those. Not follow those people. No, I don't. You say the fact. I go sit down. Now that's friend. I've been the enemy.
You carry picking for her. Your husband leave you, may you dey fight.
Now they tell us why you carry. I don't live her. I don't live her.
I'm telling you.
You drop your picking for your
corridor. It not make any sense.
So my brothers and sisters, I don't see what happen for this live video. All these women where they do that, you see and say any small picking day inside. No small picking day inside. This one are mothers, then they like 10 women for there, but children where they reach like 46. You understand me? This is what we are passing through in Germany. You see that old one where they inside, if girl loves are not seeing picture. You see that old woman where they inside, she not staying single mother, that one where we are red. You see that one with the woman, you see as the woman they talk say may he beat her, may they leave her, may he beat her. Old woman like that when he be say, if he say in Africa, in hair go down they turn to white. You understand me? You understand me? They don't go they see in life again. In day Europe, he not even get sense as a useless old single mother. She not even get sense to even talk say may that girl make them stop make them gang up, make them stop beating them. She say make them beat the girl where. Understand me? When I see this one now where wear cap now, so I hear say that now him be the woman leader, now him be the leader of the Bayan Single Mothers Association. How can you people go put this one where wear cap like person where they desert? Go put on for woman leader for single mother. Now if it's all of now where they this country go become single mother. How come? Can you put this useless woman where wear cap like an entity like any compound now go put on for woman leader? You see waiting person they pass through. As soon as they come out for Nigeria, your mama tell you say go come. Now you reach here, you begin they born for big kia, you begin they born for fiber, you begin they born for big cucumber. You see your life. As old woman as you are, you cannot even control your single mother's group as a leader where you be, you not feel control them. You they say me them beat and. Oh no, I beat this woman now, so this woman collapse. I want to let Una know something, Una not really get sense. Most of Una. You now when you be say you did that camp, so you never get document. No say your document, they don't cancel and be that. Even if say they won't give you document again before you go get that, it go hurt you. That fight so where you know go fight for there, so they don't put on for no record for no. As far as say ambulance police don't come that camp, they don't control no. So it go hard on no to get document. Ono amumu where single mother you they fight. See that one, see the one where they fight where. Ma put the picture more now they see them. Now this one now you they fight where so. How can you be fighting? Look at you. Look at your life. Look at what you are doing in the club. In the birthday party where they invite to Namon, they see the woman where they even do the birthday. He use the earring, take design himself for in life. He use the earring, take design in life. He earring full in mouth, he full in tongue. This one now will be mother. Now how can this one be a mother? You expect me make that Pekin grow up, maybe Pekin become good Pekin. It go look like a mother now. Pikin when he be say they follow him mama go party, he reach there, he go they see him mama they fight. Jackie Chan. He they fight like Jackie Chan, he even fight past Jackie Chan. But he own fight no money, you know they collect 1 naira. Just like in Namumu. He own that to they born, they go. The boy where they Italy, the Chancho boy go come from Italy, go give him belly, he go born am for here. He go they use the rest they fight. It is a big woman in be. He no know say in the key in career. Now in career in the key. Useless sort of women. Fools, idiots. Thank you so much. The boy when he be say them beat him wife, he go down and call. That kind of 3 o'clock to 3:30. You people should come and join me in live video. So that you go see everything where happen. Waiting transfer all these single mothers where they come they beat these women. Where they come beat this woman like this. When ambulance they come carry and go hospital. So thank you so much. I come in peace. So please join me on live video by 3:30 to 4 o'clock. That kind of time. 4 o'clock. Let me just say 4 o'clock. I will be on live video. Thank you so much. I come in peace. Bye bye guys. Bye.